If you have the soccer games or baseball games or whatever going on this weekend, it's back to
finding that little
using
shade
the
spot.
umbrella and using the patch
piece
of
of
shade because it will be hot again for us. Let's talk about Francine in the Gulf of Mexico, though, because before the heat arrives this weekend, we actually do have some rain chances associated with Francine tomorrow. Storms off to the east of Brownsville at the moment, spinning. It's still a tropical storm, but you can see some cloud cover, a little bit of tropical rain moving up into southeast Texas there at this hour. Wind speeds of 65 miles an hour, which is what it was at this point yesterday. So it hasn't intensified just yet, but it is expected to become a hurricane sometime tonight, making landfall along the central Louisiana coastline as a hurricane during the day tomorrow afternoon. Wind speeds of 90 miles an hour. This core of the storm well east of the coast of Texas, moving across Louisiana, weakening to a tropical storm as it moves inland, but there'll still be a good amount of rain, wind, and even some storm surge for areas like New Orleans. Baton Rouge will get a decent amount of wind and rain as well. In fact, tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings for hurricane obviously warnings all along the Louisiana coastline, but New Orleans under tropical storm warning, Baton Rouge actually under hurricane warning. Tropical storm warnings extend back to the one county there in southeast Texas. Galveston, Houston will escape the brunt from this storm. Could there be some passing showers and storms? Sure. Could there be some minor storm surge? Sure. For the Galveston Bay Area, Bolivar Peninsula, things like that? Yes, but significantly more problems for Louisiana compared to what any part of Texas is going to see. 8 to 12 inches of rain right where the storm makes landfall, but widespread 6 to 8 inches back toward the Houston-Galveston area. I mean, it's a quarter to maybe an inch of rainfall or so, and you can see even some rainfall up our way from this storm. That won't happen until the day tomorrow. As some more moisture moves into North Texas, we'll get some tropical downpours out there tomorrow. Nothing widespread that I see, but some spotty to scattered afternoon showers and storms. It's 20, maybe 30% coverage across the area. There's 3 o'clock. These happen during the heat of the day tomorrow. It's the type of showers and storms where it rains for maybe 10, 20, 30 minutes, if that, and then it moves on. Nothing severe or anything like that, but don't be surprised if you see a passing shower or storm, but also it's certainly not guaranteed. Isolated activity for DFW, little scattered activity for eastern areas. And then the heat is on. 87 tomorrow, 88 Thursday, but look at Friday. It's 94, 98 Saturday, 97 on Sunday, and those heat index values will definitely be back above 100 degrees this weekend as well. In the meantime, tonight, light winds. It'll be seasonable, just not nearly as cool as the last several nights. 70 for the low, and then warm and muggier tomorrow, 87 for the high. Not the worst in the way of humidity tomorrow, but you'll notice it feeling a little bit more humid outside. Same deal on Thursday, except that we're dry. And then we talked about 94 Friday, 98 Saturday, 97 on Sunday. Could be a few showers or storms around sometime late in the weekend into early next week as 90s continue toward the middle part of September there. All of that next 7 of the 14-day forecast spent in the 90s as well. Thankfully, it's low 90s, it looks like, for that next 7 versus those upper 90s that we're going to see this weekend.